Did you know some frogs can survive being completely frozen, only to hop away once they thaw? Take the wood frog, for instance, a true master of survival. As winter arrives, this fascinating creature allows its body to partially freeze, its heart stops beating, and its blood stops flowing. Essentially, it enters a state of suspended animation. Then, as the warmth of spring returns, the wood frog miraculously thaws. Its organs kick back into gear and it resumes its froggy life. Imagine taking a nap frozen solid and waking up to jump right back into life. Frogs aren't just green, they're a vibrant palette of nature's colours. Imagine a world where the creatures are as varied in hue as the colours in a painter's palette. This is the world of frogs. In the lush rainforests, the bright blue poison dart frog dazzles with its vivid azure skin, a stark warning to predators about its lethal toxicity. Contrastingly, in a more temperate backyard, a tree frog blends seamlessly into its leafy green environment, a master of camouflage. These colours aren't just for show. They play a critical role in the frog's survival. The startling yellows and reds of some species scream danger, effectively keeping potential threats at a distance. Meanwhile, more subdued tones help others evade predators and sneak up on their prey. Mating season brings out the brightest colours of all. Frogs often display vibrant colours to attract mates, with each shade and pattern a unique call to potential partners. From neon blues to subtle greens, frogs wear a rainbow of colours to survive and thrive. How far can a frog jump? Some can leap over 20 times their own body length. It's a feat that might make even the most seasoned Olympic athletes green with envy. Frogs, with their powerful hind legs and elongated ankle bones, are designed for jumping. This isn't just for show, it's a crucial survival tactic. Take the South African sharp-nosed frog, for instance. It can spring up to 10 feet in a single bound. That's like a human leaping the length of a school bus. Then there's the tiny northern leopard frog, which despite its small size can jump almost 6 feet. These remarkable jumping abilities come into play in their natural habitats, where quick leaps help frogs escape predators like snakes and birds. Additionally, their jumps are perfect for snagging a quick meal, whether it's a flying insect or an elusive ground beetle. Next time you watch a track event, just imagine if athletes could jump like frogs. Frogs inhabit every continent except Antarctica, adapting to an astonishing variety of climates. These adaptable amphibians have made homes in environments as lush as the rainforests of South America and as harsh as the sub-Saharan deserts. Consider the desert rain frog, found in the sandy shores of South Africa. This small, burrowing species has evolved to thrive in dry, arid conditions, emitting a squeaky call that has captured the hearts of many around the world. Venture into the dense, verdant rainforests of the Amazon, and you might encounter the Amazonian glass frog. With its almost transparent skin, this frog blends seamlessly into the foliage, a master of camouflage in a habitat rich with biodiversity. These examples are just a glimpse into the wide range of environments frogs have conquered, from swamps and lakes to forests and grasslands. Their ability to adapt to diverse habitats not only showcases their evolutionary success, but also highlights their importance in various ecosystems across the globe. From dry deserts to lush rainforests, frogs truly are global citizens. Think all frogs just eat flies? Think again. Frogs are often pictured with their tongues darting out to snatch a passing fly, but the reality of their diets can be far more complex and astounding. For instance, the horned frog, named for its pointed, horn-like protrusions above its eyes, takes the idea of an amphibious diet to an entirely different level. These robust creatures, found in the rainforests of South America, have an appetite that allows them to consume prey nearly as large as themselves, including mice, other frogs, and even small snakes. The diet of a horned frog is a testament to their adaptability and survival skills. Their wide, gaping mouths and strong muscular bodies enable them to tackle and swallow prey of significant size, making them one of the most formidable predators in their microcosmic worlds. This voracious appetite also plays a crucial role in controlling the population of other species, thereby maintaining a balanced ecosystem. In the frog world, it's a banquet of surprising and sometimes shocking delights. Frogs play a pivotal role in our planet's ecosystems. These small but mighty amphibians are essential cogs in the ecological machine that maintains the delicate balance of nature. By feeding voraciously on insects, frogs help control populations that might otherwise balloon, causing crop damage and spreading diseases. This natural pest control is invaluable to maintaining healthy crop yields and reducing the need for chemical pesticides, which can have harmful side effects on the environment. But frogs' roles are not limited to pest management. They themselves are a vital part of the food web, serving as prey for a diverse array of predators, including birds, snakes, and even other amphibians. This dynamic contributes significantly to the biodiversity and stability of ecosystems. Furthermore, the presence of frogs is often a good indicator of environmental health. Because they are sensitive to pollutants and disruptions in their habitat, their well-being mirrors the health of the ecosystem at large. Without these amphibious allies, our world would be a very different place. Despite their adaptability, frogs are among the most threatened animals on Earth. These remarkable amphibians, which have thrived for millions of years, now face an array of challenges that threaten their very existence. Habitat destruction stands at the forefront of these threats. Expansive urbanization, deforestation, and agriculture have drastically reduced the natural environments that frogs call home. Pollution further exacerbates their plight. Pesticides and other chemicals contaminate the water bodies essential for their survival, disrupting their delicate developmental stages. Moreover, climate change introduces abnormal temperature fluctuations and altered precipitation patterns, which can lead to unsuitable breeding conditions and skewed sex ratios among frog populations. Another grave threat is disease, particularly the chytrid fungus, which has devastated frog populations worldwide. This fungal disease affects the skin, crucial for a frog's respiration and water intake, often leading to fatal outcomes. Conservation efforts are in place, aiming to mitigate these impacts through habitat restoration, protective legislation, and research. Every individual can contribute by supporting environmentally friendly practices and conservation organizations. The fight to save frogs is urgent and crucial for maintaining biodiversity. Frogs have hopped into the myths and legends of many cultures around the world. In the tapestry of folklore, these amphibians are often woven as magical creatures with powers that influence the environment and human lives. Take, for instance, the ancient Egyptians who revered the frog as a symbol of life and fertility. The goddess Heket, depicted with a frog's head, was believed to protect women during childbirth. Moving over to Japan, frogs are considered lucky creatures that bring prosperity. They are often carried as amulets by travelers for safe passage. In Native American cultures, frogs are seen as rainmakers. Their croaking is believed to call upon the clouds to release rain, vital for crop growth and the sustenance of the community. Meanwhile, in Central America, the tiny red-eyed tree frog has inspired numerous tales about its ability to cleanse water and bring good health. These tales highlight not only the mystery but also the reverence humans have held for frogs throughout history. Let's hop back through the incredible world of frogs we've just explored. From their mastery of survival, evading predators and enduring extreme environments, to their dazzling array of colors that could rival any artist's palette, frogs are creatures of boundless wonder. Imagine for a moment these small but mighty athletes, the long jump champions of the natural world, leaping distances that are over 10 times their body length. It's a feat that puts even the best Olympic records to shame. And their presence is felt worldwide, adapting to nearly every corner of the globe, from steamy tropical forests to arid deserts. Each habitat hosts its own unique species, perfectly tailored to thrive in specific environments. Their diets are as varied as their habitats. While some feast on insects, others have more peculiar tastes, like the wood frog, which can survive being frozen solid during harsh winters. Then consider their role in ecosystems. Frogs are both predators and prey, playing a critical part in maintaining the balance of nature. Their health directly reflects the health of the environment, making them crucial indicators of ecological well-being. But threats loom large. Habitat loss, climate change, and disease are just a few challenges these resilient creatures face. The plight of frogs is our call to action, a reminder of the delicate interconnections within our ecosystems. From their survival skills to their ecological importance, frogs are truly astonishing. Let's ensure these remarkable creatures continue to leap through the annals of time.